Welcome back to Developer Maddy. Today, we're going to explore how to add and customize headers and footers in Microsoft Word. This is a great way to give your documents a clean and consistent look, whether you're creating reports, books, or formal documents. Let's jump right in. First, open a new Word document. Then switch to the Insert tab. Go to the Header and Footer section. Click on Header. You'll see several styles you can choose from. Let's select the blank, 3 columns, header. Once you select it, you'll be able to type in the header area. I'll add my name on the left, the title in the center, and the date on the right. Remember, you can format this text just like regular text, change the font, color, or size using the options in the font section. Next, we'll add a footer. Head back to the Insert tab, and this time click on Footer. Select the blank footer style. Just like with the header, you can type in your footer content. This might be your company name or page numbers. Once you're happy with the design, click Close Header and Footer or press Escape. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've added and customized headers and footers in your Word document. This simple addition can make your documents look much more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Developer Maddy for more tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.